Good morning everyone, welcome to day 2. Check out where we are eating our breakfast today. This is the swimming pool. Finally you get to see it. Hola! And there's also like a balai over there. Not balai, right? What is that? Like a saung. Like a super huge saung. So today we're gonna go and visit some of the lesser known gili, including Gili apa? Gili Nanggu. Because most of you are already well familiar with Gili Trawangan, Gili Meno, Gili Air. So we decided to try out a different kind of gili, which hopefully will be much nicer than Gili Trawangan, because Gili Trawangan can be a bit too crowded. So yeah, let's go! In order to get to these other gilis, we had to drive from our villa, which is in Senggigi, down to this lesser developed area called Sekotong. And Sekotong is in southwest of Lombok, and that whole journey took us about 1 hour and 30 minutes. So yeah, don't be surprised because Lombok is actually a really big island. Mas, nama apa?
Muhlis.
Muhlis.
Ya.
Sekarang kita di daerah mana?
Sekotong.
Sekotong.
Mau nyebrang ke Gili Nanggu.
Boatnya yang di mana?
Boatnya yang ini.
Oh wow.
Kita snorkeling.
Yang ini ya?
Ya.
Oh, oke. Lah kalau airnya bisa masuk ke dalam boat nggak?
Enggak.
Oh, enggak.
Ya.
Aman kan?
Di sini aman, nggak ada arus.
Nggak ada arus.
Nggak ada ombak juga.
Oke, yuk kita pergi.
Oke.
So yeah, we're all ready to go, and we're gonna get on this boat apparently. So it looks pretty good, I guess.
Messi ya.
Yeah. Hey, mari. Hey. Kita sekarang ke Gili Nanggu. It took just under 30 minutes to get from the beach in Sekotong to Gili Nanggu, and the sea was as calm as ever throughout the way. We were told that these 3 gilis that we are visiting today are normally deserted with hardly any tourists at all. But because it is the Eid holidays now, there were quite a number of local tourists that happened to be here. But despite that, we still felt that the beach was pristine. We then quickly went for a snorkel, not knowing what to expect. And boy were we so surprised. The water is crystal clear with very good visibility throughout. And the corals are not bleached at all, unlike the ones in Gili Meno. And there were so many fishes. Absolutely stunning. Wah, setelah nyelam ada klepon lagi. Apa ini? Dodol. Ungul dari sagu. Ada klepon. Ini santan ya, santan parut.
Biji kacang.
Biji. Makasih ya tante. Oh, and the snorkeling was really good. The corals are still pretty much intact. It's very much unlike Gili Meno. Gili Meno is mostly destroyed already. It's mostly white. It's bleached. But here, if you swim a bit further out, like over there, where there's not many people, the colors is amazing. It's insane. Wow, you guys have to check out Gili Nanggu. It's slightly a lot of people today, but I think if you go, yeah, it's because of a weekend, and also it's Lebaran, which is Hari Raya Eid over here. So there's a lot of families here to enjoy the beautiful beach, but otherwise during regular days I think there will be less people. So yeah, bye Gili Nanggu. I think this island is quite nice if there's not many people, because the beach is actually much nicer than the one in Gili Trawangan, because the sand is quite soft and it's quite smooth. The one in Gili Trawangan is actually filled with dead corals, so it kind of hurts your feet when you're trying to walk on them. This one is quite nice, and the water you can see is so clear, so blue, and you can see straight into the depths of the sea. Beautiful, and the coral is good. Highly recommended. Okay, next island. Amalia, so what's the reason we were here today? What island is this?
It's called Tangkong. Tangkong Island. It's quite a nice island. It's less people and all that, but the main reason why we are here is because we're gonna have lunch.
Lunch! Lunch time!
Ini sayur khas Lombok.
Oh.
Perkedel.
Perkedel, khas Lombok.
Khas Lombok juga. Ini sambal Lombok.
Sambal Lombok.
Ya.
Pakai labu itu.
Pasti pedas itu, bahaya.
Enggak.
Wow, apparently one person gets one whole fish for him or herself. And this fish is huge. Look at that. Look at that. In comparison to my face. It's so huge. Okay.
You should try the sambal.
And also
They
this
say-
is pelecing kangkong.
They say this is not spicy. Can you try if it's spicy?
Okay, later I'm gonna try. Let me try now. Because remember yesterday I was in so much pain. Wow, pedas, spicy.
Yeah.
Okay, remember guys, don't forget you need to mix all of this. For those that are not Muslims, remember over here, in order to show respect, you need to use your right hand to mix, okay? Use your right hand to eat and also to mix and to do everything else. Your left hand is supposed to be completely free. Okay, for now, I can't wait. Look at that fish. I'm gonna eat a bit of that and see. Oh my god, so fresh. And one thing we just learned as to why the corals here are so intact and also the beaches here are so pristine is because they don't actually allow fishermen to fish over here. This place is protected, really protected, so you cannot fish over here. So the fish here is a bit more expensive because you need to get your fish from the open seas. You cannot get it from here because this is actually a cove, like a huge cove. Yeah, that's the specialty here. After that amazing meal, we decided to check out the rest of Gili Tangkong and were surprised to see the beautiful white sandy beach and the crystal clear waters, all without the crowd of people we previously encountered in Gili Nanggu. A few drone shots after that and we then proceeded to our next Gili, Gili Kedis, also known as Love Island because of its heart shape if you see it from above via a drone shot and especially during low tide. But unfortunately for us, it seems like today the tide has been quite high the entire day, so we couldn't really see the heart shape, but it is still beautiful, still amazing. The water is still crystal clear as always. And yeah, we then proceeded to snorkel. No surprises there with the snorkeling, as the corals are just as nice, just as colourful as Gili Nanggu with very good visibility throughout. A snorkeling paradise indeed. And sadly after that, it's time to board the boat again to head back towards Sekotong, as we have plans to check out a piece of land around that area. So we're back on dry land, and there's something I want to show you guys, by the way. You see these things here? It may look like trash, but they're not trash. Okay, let me try to catch one of them. Oh! Oh! Bisa ya? Oh! Ya, ubur-ubur. Jadi this is jellyfish. Kasih dong? It's not harmful, it doesn't sting because it's not the pink jellyfish, like the one that is really painful. So it's just brown umbrella jellyfish. They call it ubur-ubur payung. Pretty nice, pretty cool. Okay, let's return it to the wild. Ini ada lagi. Wah, bagus banget kan? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Terima kasih Pak.
Oh ya, dia buka langsung aja gitu. Ini itu yang sudah nih. Nah, itu dia namanya. Itu ipalnya yang ada ini.
You may be wondering what are we doing here, what this place is, but it's actually a land that is for sale and we are actually considering maybe to purchase it because look at that, so nice, and it's next to this cove here. It looks really nice though. I mean the area is also quite huge, but it's not exactly cheap, so we're still considering. Halo, suka nggak tanah ini? Suka nggak? Suka ya? Ya bagus juga. And one consideration that we were having is that preferably we wouldn't want to buy anywhere near like potential tsunami areas. And here is actually well protected by those mountains over there. And that's why the sea here is very, very calm. And this is actually a sea. I mean, it's so calm, you might think that it's a lake, but it's actually sea, salt water. So what do you feel?
I don't know. I mean, it's very nice.
The land itself is really nice.
The land is nice.
The sea is not as great. Not as great as if you go a bit further up, like where we took our boat just now. Just a bit further up over there.
And I think because the water is quite still, it doesn't push up the dirt and all that out, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, maybe.
But guys, it's actually all of this land. Crazy. Look at that. So huge. It's like one football field, maybe two. Huge. You can build like maybe 20 villas. Bye-bye. Okay, terima kasih ya Om. Terima kasih. What a tiring day. It's been a long day, so I guess I'm gonna end the vlog right now. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life, choose the adventure. And don't forget me,